Hi, and welcome to PowerPoint Tips and Tricks. Today we'll be learning how to create card flip animation. Let's dive right into it. First, we have to pick our base. Right-click, form a background, and pick your favorite color. After that, we will create our card. Insert, shape, the rounded rectangle, pick your favorite size, align to the center, align to the middle, and adapt to your favorite colors. Copy and paste the same shape, adapt it to the center with align to the center and align to the middle again. Make it a little bit smaller. This way we will create another line inside of the card. Adapt it so it fits perfectly. Again, center it out. Now we will add another shape, which is going to be the circle, where we will put our icon, what kind of animal this is. But first, let's adapt the colors. To put an icon, we can do it two ways. Insert, icons, and find in the stock library, or you can download it for your favorite website. Insert your paw in the circle. Adapt it so it fits nicely, and pick your favorite color once again. After you inserted your paw, we need to insert a shape you want to have your image in. So pick your favorite shape, make it big enough. Now insert your image, make it a little bit smaller so it's going to fit in your shape. Right-click, send to back, send backwards. Select both the image and the shape, shape frame, merge shapes, and intersect. This way your image is in the shape. Now click on the image, crop, adapt it a little bit so it fits perfectly. To add text to your card, simply click Insert, Text Box, and draw the box. Type your title in there, select the entire content, choose your favorite font, your color, and the size. Copy-paste the text box that you just made. Adapt the size and the typography for a longer paragraph and insert your text in there. Adapt the colors, the size of the box, and now we are ready to start designing the backside of our flipping card. Copy-paste the bigger rounded rectangle and put it on the side. Change the color fill, but keep the same outline color. Now select the circle and your icon. Right-click, group, and group both of them, and copy-paste. Put it on the backside of the card. Make it a little bit bigger and center it to the card itself. Change the color of your icon to make it stand out a little bit more. Now select the card, select your shapes, and align them to center and to middle. Now select again all of the backside of the card, group it, and do the same on the front side of your card. Now on to animation. Select both sides, click Shape Format, Shape Effect. Under 3D Rotation, onto the perspective, choose Perspective Front. Click the back card in the 3D rotation panel under X rotation right 180 degrees, align front card to the middle, and duplicate slide with the right click, duplicate slide. Now repeat the same process on the front side of the card. Click the shape in the 3D rotation panel under X rotation type 180 degrees and send it to back. Click on the back side of the card and under X rotation type 359 degrees. To create the flip card animation with the click on the card, link the front side to the second slide and back side to the first slide by selecting the bigger shape, insert link, and select the slide. And now the final step. Select both slides, click Transition, pick Morph. On the right side of the tab, lower the time, and here you are! We've created the card flip animation. Don't miss out on the future tips and tricks. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss out on the latest tutorials.